My name is Emmanuel Southangasi. I am not the owner of the camp. Kidnapping. Yes, sir.
Explain what happened.
What happened was I can't really get the actual date. I can't get it correctly. But sometime, I think last year, we did a kidnapping. Though I was not the head. I was not the one that even brought the job. But I happens to be the driver. Then this year, we did a kidnapping job again. But that one, the victim, the one of last year is Hakim, and then Danzuma. These are the two victims.
Where did they work?
That I don't know. Yes, sir. What I was told is 45 million naira from Danzuma. Then I was told that Hakim paid 80 million naira. That's what I was told.
Where did you take them to? Where you kidnapped them?
Is Sonikiri area.
Sonikiri?
Yes. I've said that.
45 million for who?
From Danzuma.
Then the Hakim?
Hakim, 80 million.
80 million?
Yes, that's what I was told.
John what?
John Ewa, John Lyons.
Where are you from?
I'm from Crossy, precisely.
Which community?
Sorry, I also want to my talk from Boki local government. Yes, sir. So I was actually involved in this thing. I was actually involved in the kidnapping that of Hakim and Danjuma. I was not aware of the initial. I was not aware that it's kidnapping. I was told they have a business together that I should just tell them where he's staying. Yes, sir.
So you are the one who told them where he's staying?
Yes, sir.
You know him before?
I was working there, sir.
Where?
In Taliban, sir.
As what?
As a staff, sir. I'm a cleaner. I left there for years. Since 2003, I resigned. I was doing my work.
Hello, how much people? Okay, some people, many people are curious about the fact that you are seeing so many viral videos and pictures praying to God. What was going on in your mind while you were praying in church?
Sir.
How to use your mind? Hello, many people are curious because you were seen in many videos and many pictures on social media, in church and all that. So how come you didn't have a conscience, or what was going through your mind while you were praising God and you were still in that kind of business?
Sorry to say, I'm not that kind of person. I'm not into that business. I have a handwork that I do. I learn interior that I do. So I was just involved in this matter that I didn't even know how to start explaining. I was not even the money given to me was not even like it was like hey, I dash you. So I was not even involved on it like fully. So it's not part of me. Everybody knows me. I mean, I do my work interior where everybody knows the work I do.
No, but you are involved in kidnapping.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I was told.
Secondly, in many of the videos,
so what should I talk again? So I was told it was 40 million. So it was 30 million. They gave me 1.5 million. That is just like that. And my mom was actually healed in the hospital. My mom was healed in the hospital. So.
The dollar they saw you.
It was not mine. It was not mine. It was.
John.
So, the dollar was not mine.
Who gave you the dollar?
It was it was the leaders. It was their money.
The leader. Who gave you the dollar?
It was a man. It was a man dollar, sir.
So Iman is the leader.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Secondly.
In one of the videos, you said you only took part in only 2 kidnappings. Why are you saying you are not part of it now?
I'm not part of it. I was just misled that I should just show them where this person is. I was not involved in it.
The sharing of the ransom they gave you.
They gave me as a dash, like just take this money. That do not do anything. They'll just take the money. That it was 1.5 million.
The $10,000 was given to you by who?
By a man, sir.
When you changed it, was it how much?
The $10 was.
When you changed it, how much?
My own money was 1.5 inside. So the
when
money.
You changed the $10,000 given to you by a man.
It was 7.5 million.
Okay, secondly, in many of your videos you seem to belong to a political party and lavishing money. Which political party do you belong to?
I'm not a politician.
Why did you parade yourself as lion? Because that is serving a confusion as if you are related to him.
That's
Why
my
did
name.
you choose that name?
That's my name.
Lion.
Yes, sir.
Lion is your name.
Yes, sir.
From your
Yes, sir. My name is Lion. It's Epa. Me Lion. Epa. Me Lion.
From your calculation, how much is the total of proceeds you have made from this from kidnapping?
Sir,
Your involvement?
Sir, I've not gotten anything. I'm not in the business, sir.
Before Danjuma's kidnap, you approached Danjuma that you want to open an account for your children.
I did not approach Danjuma, sir. I went there to open an account for my son. I don't went to the bank.
To you, for after Akim's kidnap?
It was 1.5. It was 3.5 million.
That's Akib Ramson was 100 million, but they are saying 80 million. Then how much was given to you on Akib's own?
It was 3.5 million, sir.
You said it was 4 million and they took it.
Yes, it was 3.5. I was they gave me 4. It was 4 million. They gave me. It was 4 million. They now take 500. They gave me 3.5.
Who gave you?
It was a man, sir.
Who's the man?
Point the man here. The man say I point him.
Sir, the one, sir.
Okay, you have confessed to playing the role of showing the house of Danjuma. What role did you play in Akim's kidnap?
I did not play any role. I was
just gave you 3 million.
like I was.
No, who showed them the house of Akim? No, hold on. Let us
I was the one, sir.
What role did you play in Akim's kidnap?
I didn't play any role. We were just driving. I showed, this is my boss house, or it's my former boss house. That was it.
And you showed Akim's house?
Yes, sir.
You showed them Akim's
Yes,
house?
sir.
Didn't you know that your friends were kidnappers before you showed Akim's house to them?
No, sir. I was not aware, sir.
Money.
No, he said.
Why did they say the second one?
He said they have business together. They have business. Yes, sir.
Why did they give
It's not even 3 million. It's 4 million, 500. That's
3.5 million? They didn't tell you why they are giving you that money?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Who is the leader?
I am not the leader. The leader of the kidnapping is Bale.
Who is Bale?
That's what I know about him.
Yes. Where is he from?
He's from Odun.
Where is he now?
I don't know where he is.
Why is it that you are the one losing the ransom?
He's lying. That's his lie. He's lying.
Who is lying?
I did not give him money. No, it wasn't me that gave him money.
Who is lying?
The man behind me is lying.
So he's aware of the operation?
Yeah, he's lying. I was not the one.
Was he part of the operation?
Say what happened. Say what happened.
Okay. I don't know those people from anywhere. He is the one that worked with them, not me. I don't know anything about them. He was the one that brought the job, Akim's job, and Danjuma's job. And if anyone can reason, someone that brought job will have money more than any other person. So why is he lying? Huh?
What did he tell you to do when he brought the job?
He brought the job that they sacked him from work, and they have money, so let's kidnap them, that they will pay. I knows nothing about those people. He is the one. So that's how it happened. Him lying that I was the leader, I was the one that gave him money. All those ones are big lie. It has happened. Just say the truth on how it happened, then let's see how things will go.
Can you tell us more about the true operation?
I really don't. I've said the one I know about the kidnapping. Yeah, I involved in it, but the leader is Bale. And the ransom I was told that Akim pay is 80. Then the other one is 45. That's what I know.
Where did you How did you get the rifle?
The rifle, the owner of the camp will know where he got the rifle from. That I don't know.
What type of rifle do you use?
Three AK-47. I can't tell.
What about the cars?
How much did you use to buy that Toyota envelope here?
It's not me that bought it. It's my wife. It's my wife's car. She has a business, real estate. So
she bought it back.
Yes.
So how were you arrested? How were you arrested?
I was arrested in Port Harcourt.
When?
I think today makes it a month and 5 days.
How much have you got from this business? Personally?
I can't really tell. No.
The Toyota Corolla is the one you bought?
No, not me.
How much have you got?
I can't really tell. Like the last job, which is Danjuma, they gave me 3.5 million and 1,500 US dollars. That's my share of the money.
Were you involved in the kidnap of Nancy Keme in 2015?
No, that was just an allegation. I wasn't.
Where do you keep your victims when you kidnap them?
I am not the owner of the camp. I've said it. It's Sonkiri. Yeah, I've said it's Sonkiri.
Keep them.
Thank you very much. Thank you.